Good morning, students. So we were discussing the multiple choice questions of lesson number 2. Now let us continue with that. Rain is called acid rain when its pH falls below 5.6. So when the pH of the rain is below 5.6, then it is called acid rain. Sodium hydroxide is a base. In fact, it is a strong base because sodium hydroxide ionizes in water, which means it produces a large amount of OH negative ions. Next question is, an aqueous solution turns red litmus solution blue. Excess addition of which of the solution would reverse the change? So by adding excess of hydrochloric acid, the solution would reverse the change. Hydrochloric acid reverses the change. Next question is, when copper oxide and dilute hydrochloric acid reacts, color changes too. So when copper oxide and HCl reacts, the color changes to B part, bluish green, because blue-green color of solution is due to the formation of copper chloride. Next question is, sodium hydroxide is used in the manufacture of soap, B part. So it is used in the manufacture of soap. Next question is, sodium hydroxide turns phenolphthalein solution to pink, because sodium hydroxide is a base and base turns phenolphthalein to pink. Chemical formula for washing soda is, so chemical formula for washing soda is sodium carbonate dot 10 H2O, 10 water molecules, that is water of crystallization. Now here are some filling the blanks related to this chapter. Let us have a quick look on these. So acid turns blue litmus solution to red. So the correct answer is blue and here red. pH of basic solution is always greater than 7. Less than 7 it is acidic solution, and greater than 7 it is basic solution. Dash are the products obtained when bleaching powder reacts with dilute sulfuric acid. So when bleaching powder reacts with dilute sulfuric acid, calcium sulfate is formed, chlorine gas is released, and water is produced. So these are the three products which are formed. Potassium nitrate has pH value equal to 7. Dash is the fixed number of water molecules chemically attached to each formula unit of a salt in its crystalline form. So it is called, the fixed number of water molecule is called water of crystallization. Water of crystallization. Next is, dash is one of the raw materials for the production of baking soda. So sodium chloride, NaCl. Next is, the salts of a strong acid and weak base are, so strong acid means the salt produces acidic with the pH value less than 7. Use of mild base like baking soda. The answer is baking soda. On the bee stung area gives relief. Next is question number 9. During indigestion, the stomach produces too much acid, and this causes pain and irritation. The presence of dash Ca in acids is responsible for their acidic characters. So the presence of H positive ions in acid is responsible for their acidic characters. Mixing an acid or base with water results in the decrease in the concentration of per unit volume, and this process is basically called dilution. So when we mix water in an acid or a base, among HCl, H2SO4 and CH3COOH, dash is a weak acid. So this acetic acid is a weak acid. So I hope all the MCQs related to chapter number 2 is clear to you all. So that's it for this chapter. In the next video, we are going to continue with the MCQs of some other chapter. Thank you.